A very good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Heartily welcome to new academic year 2021-2022 for the class 4. Dear children, I am C.H. Nagamani, your class teacher. And at the same time, I am your maths teacher also. Children, total world suffered by COVID-19. That's why Telangana government classes continued this year also. So, everyone follow online classes. Do your homeworks regularly and send properly with neat handwriting. Okay, children? Today, I will teach you basic maths operations. Did you know what are basic maths operations? You learned already in the previous classes maths operations. What are that? They are plus, minus, into, divided by. Plus for addition, minus, subtraction, into, multiplication, divided by division. When you are doing multiplication and division, you have to learn tables perfectly. So, everyone must and should learn table perfectly. I will ask each and everyone in video call or Google Meet. I will ask each and everyone's tables. Okay? Now, let's go to our class. Plus, addition, minus, subtraction. Subtraction symbol is minus, multiplication symbol is into, division symbol is divided by. These four maths operations are very useful to doing maths. Okay, this is a basic maths operations. Plus, minus, into, divided by. You should know already learn perfectly in a first, second, third classes. Once again I will revise. 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 3, 1. First, you have to separate place value wise. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Somebody did not maintain place values. Every time you have to maintain place values. Ones place value you have to write down once only. Tens place value you have to write tens place. Now you have to add. What do we do here? Addition. So you have to keep here plus. Now add it. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Keep right. 1, 0 write down. 1 write up. Okay. Next. Once series completed now, then we have to go to tens place value. Okay. Somebody write a zigzag order. So total answer also value you have to add. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 1 you have to write up. 0 write down. Okay. Next. Now ones place completed, tens place completed. Then we have to go to hundreds place. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So 1 write here, 2 write down. And then we have to go to thousands place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Total is 6,200. Okay. Next, subtraction. 7342 minus. This is subtraction. 743. This is also right as like place value wise. Okay. Next, you have to separate ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Don't write 743 this like. But here this is the smaller number than the 3. So what we do? Take borrow to before number. When we take borrow, 2 become 12. 2 become 12. This is 4. 4 become minus 4 become 3. Minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So 4 become 3. 2 become 12. Now 12 minus 3, 9. Subtraction means take away. 12 minus 3, 9. Here 3 is there. 3 also smaller than the 4. So next you have to take borrow before number. 3 become 2. 3 become 13. Because when we take borrow we have to add 10. So 3 become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Here 2. 2 also smaller than this number. That's why take 10. Take borrow to before number. 2 become 12. 12 minus 7. 5. 7 becomes 6. Write down 6 here. So the difference is 6599. Okay. When you take borrow, it will become add 10 and subtract minus 1. Okay. Next, multiplication. 432 into 7. 7 2s are 14. Here also ones, tens, hundreds place wise you have to multiply it. This 7 2s are 14. So 4 write down here. 1 is remaining there. 1. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. So 1's place number 2 is there, no? Right here remaining 2 is there. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 30. 432 into 7 is equal to 3024. Product. When we are doing addition, answer is total. When you are doing subtraction, answer is difference. And when you do multiplication, answer is product. Okay. Now, let us discuss divisions. Division. 749 divided by 9. 749 divided by 9. So, did you know 9 table? First, ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds digit onwards you have to do divisions. Okay. In the multiplication, addition, subtraction all are doing ones place onwards. But divisions doing at the digit of last place. Okay. 9 is here 9. So 9 is smaller greater than the 7. So you have to take here 2 digits. ఇక్కడ 2 digits తీసుకోవాలి. Is there 74 in 9 table? 9 7 ja 63. 9 8 ja 72. 9 8 ja 72. Is 7 9 9 ja 81. In these three, which is very near and which is smaller? This is also smaller but not near. This is smaller and very near this number 72. 81 is greater than this. That's why you have to take 9 8 ja 72. Okay. 9 8 ja 72. Now subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. Now down 9. Is there 9 table in 29? No. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. Here. So 36 is greater number. That's why you have to take this number. 9 3s are 27. Now subtract. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 is remainder. 2 is remainder. 83 is quotient, dividend, divisor. Divisor, dividend. Division is repeated subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction. I will give some problems of addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. More problems I will give in multiplication, divisions. So, look here children. 9674 divided by 8. This is one more division. Here 8 is divisor. 9674 is dividend. Now divide. Okay. Did you know 8 table? Okay. In divisions, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Last place onwards we have to divide this given number. 8 ones are. First you have to check this number. This is smaller than the divisor, no? Okay, smaller. That's why you have to take one number only. 8 ones are 8. Now subtract. Division is a repeated subtraction. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Write down 6. Is there 16 in 8 table? Yes. When you are perfect in tables, no need to write this side. You are 5th class students. That's why you learn perfectly tables. So 8 2s are 16. You have to write the place of quotient 2 and write down 16. 8 2s are 16 minus, again subtract, 16 minus 16 0. Write down next number. What is next number? 7. Is 7 smaller than the 8? Yes. 7 is smaller than the 8. That's why you have to take one more digit. When you take 2 digits at a time, you have to keep the place of quotient 0. Okay? When you, if it is smaller than the divisor, you have to take one more digit. When you take at a time 2 digits, you have to keep the place of quotient 0. Okay? Next, is there 74 in 8 table? 8 9 72. So 9 right here, 72 write down. Now subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 is remainder. 2 is remainder. 1209 is quotient. 9674 is dividend. Dividend. Okay. Next, 8 is divisor. 8 is divisor. How to check if it is correct or wrong? In divisions checking also one formula is there. What is that? You learnt already. Just revise once. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder plus is equal to dividend. Here remainder is there, quotient is there, divisor is there, dividend is there, divisor is there. Now substitute all these values in this given formula. If it is both sides equal, then we have to correct answer. We have to get correct quotient. What is divisor? 8 into quotient is 1209 plus remainder is 2. 8. Now multiply these two. Now 8 into 1209 is equal to 9672. Here you have to multiply by 8, then add 2. So now add 2. Both are 9674. So dividend what is there here? 9674. Here also there, no? So 9674. Here also we have to get 9674. Both are same. That's why this is correct. Okay? This like we have to check the after division. Okay, dears? Next, we will meet you again next class with different types of numbers. Okay? Everyone must and should complete your homeworks and send it my WhatsApp number. Without fail. Thank you.